Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth or Tony, as I'm known. Today we're going to be fitting a couple of toast-proof smoke alarms. Now they come with these tiny little wall plugs, but I've decided that I'm going to be putting a decent raw plug in instead, because no, it's just like, you know, that's a sort of decent size that you would put in, that'll hold it steady. So upwards and onwards with that one. So I'm actually just using the original screw that it came with. So doing this one-handed is not much fun. They just basically screw it in like that. Like I say, the one is enough. There's no need to, and you just literally click it on like that. That goes in. Now you could put two on, but one's sufficient. Depends, again it depends on what you want to do, but there's, anyway, I'm going to get on with the other one now. So I'm just attaching the second one, just in case I screw that up. I decided to go for the middle this time because, well, just easier. So I'm going to crack on, get that tight, and again just click it on, very easy. So just click on like that. Here we go. So there is a way that you can put these on. There you go. Just do that. That's it. So that's it, guys. One up there. We shall test it out. Any worries? That's down like that. You've got one at the bottom. That's all you need. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.